Hello everyone, my name's Mike and here at Tech Commune we uncover tech at home and in video. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, but today I'm going to be talking about the Soundcore Spirit Dot 2s, so let's uncover these right now. Soundcore is the sister company of Anker, which if you haven't heard of them, make high quality and affordable power solutions. Now Soundcore is basically the same but for audio, and I have to admit I do like their products. So when they reached out to me and told me that they were going to be releasing these Spirit Dot 2s today, I just had to try them. Now they did send these out to me before the launch so I could spend a bit of time with them, but as always I will give you my honest opinions on these. Now these are the second versions of the popular Spirit Dot 1s and they have made quite a few nice improvements. But firstly, taking a look around the case, it is really nice and small with a very modern and sleek design. I really like this metallic grey colour, which is really nice to touch. I do prefer a satin finish, but I can understand with sweat and fingerprints why they went for this finish. The case features their almost signature 3 LED lights on the front to let you know how much charge is left in the case. The case charges through USB-C, which they include actually a cable. Now it's just a shame that it doesn't have wireless charging, as this is something that I do find convenient, and I do think that every earbud company should include this, as for me it's just so much easier to place these down on a wireless charger when I'm done using them. If we open up the case, we'll see some very slim and small earbuds, which in my opinion look really nice. Now these earbuds are designed for fitness people in mind, but I've used these for pretty much everything since I've got them. They come with 3 different types of wingtips and 5 different types of ear tips, so you can get a good fit and seal in the ear. The wingtips, just to let you know, are hollow, meaning that they are not only light but they're also comfortable. One thing to note is that I use the medium wingtips with the medium ear tips to give a good tight fit around the ear, and when I was working out they never came out of my ear, which is pretty much a first for me anyway. The large wingtips did feel more secure in my ear, but when I used these for a long time of listening, I actually found that they became a little bit uncomfortable. So I would say switch the wingtips and ear tips out and try them out for a long period of time so that you know which one actually feels more comfortable rather than just which gives you the best fit. I do want to say that when you fit the large wingtips, it actually made it a little bit harder to casually put these back into the case. The other wingtips though fitted smoothly in the case without any hassle. So that is one thing to bear in mind. It connects to your devices just like every other earbud out there. You just take them out of the case, select the earbuds in the Bluetooth settings, and they just work. They work on iPhones, Androids, on my Mac, and even the laptop as well. Unfortunately, you can't connect 2 devices at the same time, which is a shame, but you can use the earbuds individually, as I know some of you care about that. So let's talk about the sound quality, and these sound good. Like really good. The bass was really boomy and the highs were really clear. And even though the mids were a little bit muddled, the overall listening experience was really, really good. One thing I do want to mention about the bass, because I know that a lot of you guys care, the bass was, like I said, boomy, but it's not that thumping bass that you get in your ear like other headphones. So if you are looking for a set of headphones that will give you that thumping bass, these aren't really the headphones for you. I would say that this gives you a more realistic kind of listening experience, but it definitely tends towards the bass heavy side of earbuds. So for workouts, which obviously these are aimed for, this gives you a very good workout set of earbuds. What was that dance? Jeez. Now one thing that I want to mention as well is the loudness. The loudness is really good, but it's not super loud. So if you are looking for some super loud headphones, then again, these aren't going to be the ones for you, but these did get loud enough. I mean, what you have to remember is that these are in-ear earbuds, so they are going to block out outside noise anyway. These, when you put them at its loudest setting, even when I was walking down a busy road, was more than loud enough. I actually had to put it down a notch or two for it to be comfortable. One thing that I would have liked is an app to control the EQ of these earbuds and being able to tweak them through the app as well. It's a shame also that there is no aptX codec support, which would have made these sound even better. However, in my experience, there was no visible delay when watching videos and the connectivity was still super strong at a large distance. Controlling your music is really easy with the touch controls on the earbuds. I have put the controls on the screen, but one thing I wish this had was volume controls. There is also no way of adjusting this in an app. I would have liked to have seen this implemented, as I would rather have controls on the earbuds for controlling volume rather than having, let's say, the voice assistant activated. Now, these headphones have no noise cancellation, unfortunately, and unfortunately we also don't see their CVC 8.0 technology with their voice calls, which allows the microphones to basically cancel out the background noise, focusing on your voice for better voice calls. I still wouldn't say they are as good as, you know, dedicated microphones, let's say like on the MacBook, but they definitely do a good job for voice calls and video calls. The battery life is really good on these small earbuds. Soundcore claims about 5.5 hours on these earbuds themselves, and I got pretty close to it with just normal use. And using the case, you'll also get an extra 16 hours of playback. Now, if you pop these earbuds in the case, you'll get an extra hour of playback with just 10 minutes of charge time, which is really impressive. So if you're doing that quick gym session, then these will be fine. These earbuds are IPX7 water and sweat resistant, meaning that in the rain or sweaty workouts, you'll be all good. I really like how obviously slim and light they are in my ears, and they look stylish as well. So as you could probably tell, I would recommend these headphones, and for the recommended retail price of just $79, they offer a great fit, they don't fall out while you're exercising, and they sound really, really good. It's just a shame that there's no app support for controlling the EQ or changing the tap controls, and I would have really have liked to have seen wireless charging, but the overall small size and lightness of these earbuds, I think they can just fit into your bag really easy, and they work really good for me. They were almost perfect, and I really hope that the third generations of these earbuds do include the couple of things that I've mentioned. But there we have it. As always, this is a discussion, so please leave a comment down below on what you thought about these earbuds, and check out the links in the description below if you want to support this channel. If you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and also drop me a like on this video if you've enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, and check out these fantastic videos that I handcrafted myself if you want to see more of this face. Anyway, everyone, look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.